Okay, now I'm showing you the channel negative room, NR. This is NR. So this channel up to now has 2 videos, which is Friday, today. I did announcement in Arabic, which is khutbah. And this one, coronavirus live broadcasting, how to protect yourself. This video will be updated. We'll have many videos here about negative rooms and how to protect yourself, and about this presentation, which is how to change your home or your habitat to a negative room. Under this video, we have subscribed videos only, MCH Kasu, this is related to me, and MCH Smart. Thank you.
President on the stage, as he did yesterday, very hopeful about a drug that's used for malaria being brought into the market to help people who are dealing with the coronavirus. Here's the president's take, followed here by his top infectious disease doctor, Anthony Fauci.
Is there any evidence to suggest that, as with malaria, it might be used as a prophylaxis against COVID-19?
No, the answer is no, and the evidence that you're talking about, John, is anecdotal evidence. The information that you're referring to specifically is anecdotal. It was not done in a controlled clinical trial, so you really can't make any definitive statement about it.
We all understand what the doctor said is 100% correct. It's early, but I've seen things that are impressive. We'll see. We're going to know soon.
I want to start our conversation. A number of great experts standing by with our chief medical correspondent, Dr. Sanjay Gupta. Sanjay, the president went on to say, I'm more of a fan of that than Dr. Fauci. He says, maybe there is, maybe there isn't. Let's give it a try. What have you got to lose? That was one of several. Essentially, Tony Fauci was trying to be polite, trying to be deferential to the president, but essentially, if you listen to him closely, saying, I very much disagree. This is not immediate. This is not a game changer. This is not tomorrow. If it works, it is months away.
Never seen anything like it, John. I mean, it was incredible to see this back and forth. First, the president said this drug was approved for coronavirus yesterday. It is not. He said that there's a lot of evidence to show how promising it is. There is a 120-person study out of France that Dr. Tony Fauci described as anecdotal. The president said he feels good about it, and Dr. Fauci said, we have to do the studies, which is exactly what the FDA commissioner said yesterday as well. It just was a remarkable sort of back and forth between someone who's using their gut instincts, not scientifically based, not evidence-based, against, a venerable scientist who kept sort of on the fly, it seems, trying to fact-check the president. I just had never seen anything like it. I think Tony Fauci probably has one of the hardest jobs in America right now.
Sanjay, stay with us. I want to bring into the conversation as well Dr. Asaf Biton. He runs a lab. He's also a primary care physician, runs a lab dealing with this issue up in the Boston area. Doctor, at the end of the briefing, the president said he's hearing very, very positive things about testing. Then Dr. Fauci came forward and said, yes, he is getting calls from some places around the country where someone who has symptoms, someone who should get a test, not someone who's just scared and wants a test, and he's getting calls saying it's not available. As Dr. Fauci walked away, the president of the United States essentially waved the vice president back up to the podium to give a more optimistic take on testing. What's the truth?
The truth is that the testing capacities still aren't what they need to be. I personally, for my patients, have had real trouble getting testing ordered even for patients with known exposure to people who had COVID-19, documented in a previous test. So it's clear that testing capacity is ramped up, but we're not where we need to be yet.
And all of this, please stay with us as well, doctor, as we continue the conversation. All of this is a question of presidential leadership and the need for the American people to get facts at a time of a pandemic, crisis, and considerable fear. That
President Pence testing positive